Hello, my dear audience. How are you today? I hope you all are fine. And this is Babita, and welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. So, today in this video, I'm going to tell about how I started to think in English. Yes, you heard right. So, do you want to know about this? How I started to think in English? Means my English thinking journey. So, if you really want to know about this, and are you interested to know about this? So you should not skip this video. You must watch this video. You watch this video till the end. So without further delay, let's begin the video. My dear audience, first of all, I'm going to tell you I used 6 tips to improve my English thinking. What have you heard? What have you heard? You heard I used to follow 6 tips to improve my English thinking. Yes, it is absolutely right, means 100% right. So, but I want to quit these tips about me for few minutes. But first of all, I'm going to tell you, if you will not think in English, all words, so you will not speak English very well. I guarantee you, you must have to think in English, because thinking is most important to imagine, to speak in English. Thinking is everything. Thinking is everything in English speaking or Hindi speaking. Thinking is everything to speak any type of language, whether Hindi, English, French, Germanese, every language may be. I'm going to tell you how to think in English. Now I'm going to tell you, you must have follow 6 tips. You must have follow 6 tips. 6 tips are very, very powerful, effective, essential, compulsory for you. If you will not use these 6 tips, so you will not think in English very well, I guarantee you. First, you will not believe on me easily, but one day you will believe me. What did I say? Yes. So now, first tip, I'm going to tell about first tip. What is first tip? First tip is you talk to yourself. Yes, you talk to, my dear audience, you talk to yourself. If you will talk to yourself a lot, so definitely your mind will become good in thinking, in speaking. If you will talk to yourself in English daily, your mind will become active. Your mind will be trained. Yes, your mind will be trained in English if you will think in English, if you will talk in English daily. Got it? So my second tip is, I'm going to tell about my second tip. My second tip is, you narrate your day daily in English. Yes. If you narrate your day in English daily, so you will be able to explain about your daily routine, about your daily activity, about your daily work. Yes. Then you will be able to speak English. Then you will be able to think in English. Yes. I'm right. I'm not telling wrong. I'm telling 100% right, because I did. And now third tip is, think in single words. Single words mean you can think, what is this, what is that, mean the things around you. You can explain about that things. about those things. Okay, got it? Fourth tip is name objects around you in English in your head. What have you heard? Yes, whatever I told, it is absolutely right because I followed. It is compulsory. There are many objects around you. So you will have to explain about those objects around you. And now I'm going to tell about 5. You make small sentences in English. You start to think in small sentences in English. Yes. If you will start to think small sentences in English daily, so your English thinking, your memory will be able to think in English, all English words. Yes. And sixth tip. Now I'm going to tell about sixth tip. Sixth tip is you think about situation in English. What did you hear? What? You think about situation in English. Yes, you heard right. If you create a lots of situation in English, so your mind will be able to think in English, all English words. My dear audience, first you do on these 6 steps. What have you learned from my video? What have you learned from my video? I guarantee you, it's 100% right. 100% right. I'm not giving you wrong step. I'm not giving you wrong step. I'm giving you 100% right step. Because I worked on 6 steps, whatever I told you. Okay? If you do, my dear audience, if you do daily from now on these steps, on these 6 steps, to think in English, to try to think in English, to try to speak in English, so definitely your mind will be able, your mind will be trained to think in English as well as to speak in English. I guarantee you. I think apart from these 6 tips, there is no any effective, powerful and impressive tips to improve your English thinking. You must follow on these 6 tips from now. So definitely you will be able to do anything. You will be able to speak any type of language, not only English language. Okay? So you try to narrate your day and you try to explain, you try to narrate your day or you explain your day, describe your day and the things which you have and the things around you, you explain about those things. Whether things would be tree, whether things would be animals, whether things would be house, but what to say in English? What is house? This is house. What to say in English? What to say house in English? What to say plant in English? Yes. What to say? जैसे मैं कहूँ कि भिंडी को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, भिंडी को फूल के इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, फूल को, किचन को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं आप, रसोई घर में बेलन को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, अलमारी को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं. सो माय डियर ऑडियंस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट नो अबाउट व्हाट टू से अलमारी इन इंग्लिश, व्हाट टू से बेलन इन इंग्लिश. Yes, only you have to practice on these 6 steps, otherwise you will not able to speak English. you will be not able to speak English. So now it's my turn. It's now I'm going to tell about my story. How did I start to think in English? So definitely I'm going to tell about my English thinking story. How did I start to think in English? Yes, you know, I started to think in English uh, with small sentences. Yes, with small vocabularies, with small words, with small objects. You know, I thought I used to think in English with objects. Yes, I used to think in English with objects. For example, if I say, I have a cat. So how can explain about cat? What to say cat in English? Everybody knows about cat means billy. Okay. So but how to explain cat in English? I think you do not have idea about how to explain about animals. But I have an idea. I will tell you next day how to explain about animals very well. Definitely you will get my point very well, 100%. But first of all, I started to think in English with objects. Like when I used to cook the food, I used to start to speak English. Belan. What did I say? Belan in English. First of all, I didn't know how to say belan in English. But I searched in Google what to say belan in English. I got rolling pin and chakla, rolling board, chimta, chamta, tongues. So there are many things around us. But in spite of it, we don't try to think in English and we don't try to explain about those things, the things around us, and we don't try. Yes, we something try to think in English, but no. If you are trying to know about something in English or anything, so you are not doing best, because you want to become great in English. So you must think in English and you must know vocabularies, a lots of vocabularies about every objects. So because every object has every vocabularies. What to say घर को इंग्लिश में हाउस बोलते हैं, किचन को, रसोई घर को किचन बोलते हैं, पेड़ को ट्री बोलते हैं, पौधा को प्लांट बोलते हैं. सो बेलन को रोलिंग पिन, चकला को रोलिंग बोर्ड, चिमटा को चमटा को टंग्स बोलते हैं, कद्दूकस को ग्रेटर बोलते हैं, अलमारी को अलमीरा बोलते हैं, बेड को बेड बोलते हैं. सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड अस. Still I am following on 6 tips. You don't translate in your mind. If you translate in your mind, you stop now, because you are doing not best. If you will always translate in your mind, so you will be not able to speak in English, you will be not able to think in English. So I think you got my point very well. What did I told you? So you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.